guys, it's Mr. Nitro Guy. From the last video, obviously, I got a E92, and here I am 2 years later.
I sold it.
I'm going to explain everything in the next following video or the video after, I'm not sure. But I already made a vlog about my new car, which is the E46 M3. I'll get into detail and everything. I might have mentioned that in this video, I already made a video about me getting rid of the E92 and getting the E46 M3, but that is definitely not true. Here I am telling you that I just got a E46 M3. 2 years later, it's a 6-speed, 2003 and a half. It's LCI, only 52,000 miles, which is very, very cool. And I got a lot of cool stuff coming for the car. But here's vlog 1. Hope you enjoy. Yo, what's up guys? In the last video, I revealed that my E92 is gone and I got my E46. And in the meantime, I had a Tesla to drive. Still have it. In fact, it's over there. My boy's driving it. We're heading down to San Diego right now. We gotta do the subframe on the E46 and yeah, some other cool stuff too. So stay tuned and I'll explain everything later in the video. My boy Davo, hold on, it ain't focusing. There you go. Yeah, do a pull, do a pull. What a beautiful day. If I didn't already show you in the last video, only 52,000 miles. On our way to San Diego, no traffic. So that means driving a manual isn't so bad. But hey, yeah, it's gonna be a great day. I can't wait. Alright guys, so we made it. San Diego. We just got the status group. This is all their shops. They work on the cars too. That's why we're getting the subframe done here. Tesla made it safely here too, huh? We're gonna drop this off. Probably get ourselves a hotel, stay overnight. By the time car's ready, we'll pick it up tomorrow or something. We'll go from there. Check this out, VF Supercharge. Put a custom intercooler in the front too. Very loud blow-off valve, as you can tell. So just talked to Mike. He's a pretty cool guy, kind of noisy right now. Just came to have a little food vlog going on. Mike's gonna do the subframe. Hopefully it's ready tomorrow. And then I might have to pick up my trunk tomorrow from him too. Install, video will come later for that. I'm glad I'm finally able to start recording these videos that I've been wanting to do for a while, ever since I got my E92. But here I am with my E46. So we got the food vlog going on. Yeah. My friend started eating it already because he's a fat ass, but hey, I'm a fat ass too. Not gonna lie, I already took a couple of the Parmesan truffle fries. Looks really good. It's really good here. I actually highly recommend it. Whatever the place was called, yeah, it's at the top. We're headed to our hotel right now. Probably go get some rest. Had a pretty long drive, pretty long day sorting everything out. So we're gonna head out there with the Tesla. Good thing this is autopilot, right? Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. A pretty long day. But yeah, gonna get to bed, get ready for tomorrow, and see what Mike has to show us for my car. So far, from what it looks like, my diff bushings were gone, so that's not really good. And a little tiny crack on the subframe, but thankfully it was pretty tiny. The car sat for like a few years, so probably explains why. But it's all right, now that everything's good. We got the poly bushings in. I think that's pretty cool. And then hopefully we get to hear the car with the CSL Airbox as well. In the meantime though, I'm gonna go knock out and I'll see you guys the next morning. Morning guys, so we just finished up checking out at the hotel. Honestly, not a really good stay. There was some people partying for a wedding until night. Well, I got a call and get my money back, man. It kept me up all night. I'm just kidding, but for real, we just came to this pretty cool breakfast place. San Diego again. I forgot what it's called, but I got some chicken and waffles with egg and bacon. Food just came in. You got some fried chicken and eggs. waffle, thick cut bacon, and sausage gravy with some green onions. Davo, what do we got going on here?
Khachapuri
Khachapuri?
with bacon and jalapenos on the side.
Damn, your shit looks better than mine, bro. Damn, we got a feast. We just finished up, got my autopilot going on. See, no hands, nothing, taking this turn at 49, but just doing this because Tesla does need to verify it sometimes. Just finished up at the restaurant and we're going on the bridge right now to Coronado Island. That's a piece of shit hotel we stayed at. So rude, man. Customer service hung up on me and shit, but whatever. Got the view too. Got a little bit of wide angle going on. This truck is blocking it. So nice. Here's Coronado Island. Guys, we just came to the mall. We're doing some shopping right now. Actually came to one of my favorite stores ever, Joe Malone's. What I like to wear all the time. The Tonka is like literally one of the best smells ever. We're just walking around. We're at the Westfield Mall now. Pretty nice, kind of like the Village in Woodland Hills. Some people honestly they might mistake it, but no, it's really cool. Or like I said, we're fat asses, so we already got a reservation at Din Tai Fung. So we're gonna go eat there once they call our name. It's like a 2-hour wait. Best food, can never go wrong for Din Tai Fung. I already ate my ribs, but what do we got going on here, Davo?
We got the spicy shrimp and pork wontons with a side of jidori chicken dumplings.
Oh man, that's too zoomed in. How do you like it? Is it good?
I love it, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Shrimp fried rice.
Shrimp fried rice for us.
Awesome. This is probably one of the best things they have at Din Tai Fung. I highly recommend every time eating this. Get it with the baby back rib sauce that they have over here. Put a little bit on here. Makes it a little more sweet. Super good. Guys, so we just finished up. Got our teas. Now we're going to go pick up my car. See what Mike did. There was a few other problems that he found. He was able to fix some. The other few, I got to figure out what I'm going to do. But we'll discuss everything when I get there. And then we're going to head home. Hopefully not too much traffic because, yeah, manual's a bitch. We'll see you at Status Group. Best thing about mall parking is that when you got an electric car, you get to park right in the front as a clean air vehicle. Hey guys, so we just arrived to Status Group. Here's my baby. We got the CSL Airbox installed. Subframe is now reinforced. And he said he adjusted the diffuser a little bit. Yeah, that's so much better. It used to hang a lot more. Man, I can't wait to hear it. Right now, I'm having some stalling issues with my car. I'll explain more. Basically, the car right now, I mean, ever since I got the car, pretty much, and I press the clutch in, revs go all the way down. Doesn't really matter if it's in gear or in neutral. The car wants to stall out, and right now it's even worse because I don't have an Alpha N tune for it yet, and you need that for this CSL Airbox. Sorry, there's like a fly on me or some shit. We have to get the tune installed. As soon as I get back home, we'll definitely do that, but I cannot wait to hear this car. It's gonna sound so good, and should be a little bit better in the canyons. We got a canyon run coming up actually, so I'm gonna see how much better the car feels in turns or whatever, but yeah, pretty excited. Yeah, that's beautiful. Gotta clean up the engine bay a little bit, and I think it's good. Yeah, definitely. This sounds so good. Go for it, dog. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, I was about to fall right there. I'm gonna get a quick run for you. Kind of hard to record and do manual, but let's see what I can do. And open the window. Oh yeah. This feels much faster than it did before, that's for sure. And the intake's really loud too. I like it a lot. This is amazing. I keep saying intake, but it's a plenum, man. It's an Airbox, so it's really loud. Davo just got some videos. All that probably later into the video, but oh man. Guys, just got home. Gotta turn on the M3 to go to my friend's house. We just got to my friend's house. This is beautiful E46, actually for sale. I'll put the link in the description. If you want this beautiful car, just let him know. I think it's in great condition, you know, for the paint and the mileage. Pretty spectacular if I'm being honest. Anyways, we brought my car here and the airbox is in. Sensor has been disconnected. Up there you go the whole time. We got to connect it in there, but just before we do, we have to make sure we can convert the ECU that I already had tuned to stage 2 straight to alpha N. I got to clean up the cover a little bit. Right now we're tuning the car. We'll see if it's gonna work. We're actually gonna add a little bit more aggressive burbles. We're gonna go ahead, connect the sensor now. That. A nice tug. Kind of hide this under there. And then make sure it's good. We'll see if the car won't run rich anymore, hopefully. And maybe less stalling out. Alright. So everything's ready to reflash. We got a little bit more aggressive burbles. So we already put shift lights before. It's not working though. I'm not sure why. This car used to be SMG. I'm not sure if I mentioned that before. And it swapped over to manual. So even swapped cars are still supposed to keep that. But I also found out I'm missing 2 very important wires that connect to my transmission. But we are tuning right now. Let's see what happens. It looks like everything is successful. Go ahead, give the car a start. Well, it used to not give a cold start and now it's giving a cold start, so that idle was really choppy, but I guess it got used to it, whatever, so the car is good now. The car ran great. The only thing that was kind of wrong was when I'm downshifting, trying to rev match, car's bogging, and that's exactly what I was afraid of. But hopefully that doesn't mean that we have to get a whole new tune. The ECU is converted to alpha N, but I am running off of Evolve Stage 2 tune. So this should work, hopefully, whatever we're trying next. If not, we'll see what happens. Guys, my car officially took a shit. I'm overheating and my car is cold all of a sudden, so yeah, thanks for that. Car's getting tuned right now and we shall see what happens. Guys, it already sounds absolutely unreal. My friend's gonna give it a flyby. Wow, that's unreal. God damn, that's a big difference. Wow. What's up, guys? So pretty much I'm editing the video right now. A couple things I didn't mention in the video that I actually want to mention. Yeah, I definitely need a retune on the car because that idle is super choppy, as you could tell on the video, and it's much worse in the mornings. In fact, it turns off, so I have to keep my foot on the gas, which I don't like doing since these cars have rod bearing problems. You know, I don't like leaving it at 1500, 2000 RPM, especially during the winter when the car is cold, but that's okay for now. Tomorrow probably, or the next day, I'm gonna end up retuning it and I'll get you guys a video for that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Said I'm so happy I'm making videos again, but even more to come soon. We got a BH2 rally and we're gonna go to a car show that same morning as well, and I'll go ahead and get some content for you guys too on that. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys on the next one.